Meet Vincent Barnes, an above-average guy living in an above-average neighborhood. Vincent's a sales manager. Makes a mighty good salary, too. This is Vincent's spacious home. Nice, huh? And here's Vincent's loving family, his 2 darling children, and, of course, his beautiful wife. Yep, you might say Vincent Barnes has it all. Or does he? Look a little closer and you'll see something missing. There. Did you see it? Oh, he may look fine to you, me, and everyone else, but Vincent's wife can tell you he's not the same man he used to be. Vincent has lost his... He simply no longer has his natural instinctive desire for... Well, you get what we mean. And so, despite all outward appearances, all was not right in the world of Vincent Barnes. Then one day, a wonderful thing happened. Vincent Barnes was introduced to Forever Multi-Maca, a powerful new supplement from Forever Living Products. Maca has long been used by the Inca people of the high Andes for... And especially... Vincent decided if maca could work for the Incas, why not give it a try? And what a difference! Wow! His wife noticed it right away. Can you see it? He has so much more... and lots more... and tons more... And so, thanks to Forever Multi-Maca, Vince Barnes does have it all. Not that his life was bad before, but now it just has so much more... Well, you know. New Forever Multi-Maca from Forever Living Products. It puts the... back in your life. Forever Multi-Maca.